is the Beauty Gate. Hey survivors, it's your girl Ruriko here, and today my darlings, we're back here with another video. If you're not subscribed and you're still here with you, girl, thank you so much. It's greatly appreciated. I love you. But if the first time seeing you, girl, seeing your face, where have you been? Welcome. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell, because you won't be disappointed with any of the content that I bring to you. I promise. Without further ado, it's a review, guys. And today we're going to be reviewing the beautiful Beauty Glazed. You guys already know this is one of my favorite brands of all time. They're lovely, they are easy on the pocket, always pigmented to the gods, honey. They are cruelty free. Everything about them is beautiful. The packaging is beautiful, everything about them is beautiful. So here it is, sweetie. That's the outer casing. Can you see that glitter in those eyes? Can you see that glitter in those eyes, sweetie? Yes. So this is the Beauty Glaze I Got You edition. You got me, I got you too, sweetie. So this is the I Got You edition. It says Beauty Glaze textured shadow palette. So it says the names of all of the shades in here. So it says it has creamy, dust, peachy, pumpkin, Dubai, mud, copper, gold sand, twilight, atheist, violet, bling, cashmere, mermaid, glitter, vampire, burgundy, and squash. Okay, when you open it, this is what you are greeted with, as you saw before, sweetie. And then you are greeted with a different color, and it tells you that I Got You edition, Beauty Glaze, beautiful, absolutely gorgeous. And then when you open it, honey bunnies, you are greeted with, so that's what it looks like at the top, sweetie. And then these are the shades that I just read out to you just now. Right, as you guys know, when I review, let all the color come back, sweetie. As you guys know, when I do reviews, I literally have when I do eyeshadow reviews, sorry, I literally don't know what I'm going to be doing. I don't know what colors I'm going to use. I do it fresh off the bat. I figure out what colors I want to use, and then I get into it. So for this, I have no idea. I'm looking at myself right now. I'm very light, so any type of nice dark kind of colors would look very good right now and bring some color into my face, sweeties. So I'm thinking maybe let's go with a little bit of vampire. So this is vampire right here. So let's go with a little bit of vampire and see what that looks like as a base color. Sweetie, look at that. I hardly scratched it, and that's how much product the brush is actually picking up. This is a BH brush, by the way. This is beautiful. Are you seeing that? This is very beautiful. It goes on very easy. I am living for this color. This is beautiful. So I'm going to raise the color up a little bit and get it up on the top lid, and I'm just doing easy brush strokes as I go along. Are you seeing how pigmented it's getting the more I stroke? So this is called Vampire from the Beauty Glaze I Got You edition, and I am already loving it. Okay, so I'm just going to do the same on the other side, sweeties. This is what it looks like just far, guys. I am feeling it. I am loving it. I have no idea what else to go in with. So let's go in with some Twilight. So I'm going to go in with a little bit of Twilight, and I'm just going to rub it as I'm talking to you. Beautiful. Let go. I'm just going to go on the inside lid, and I'm going to blend it out as I go along. Well, this is just beautiful. I am living for this palette. Oh my god, this palette is beautiful, guys. It's beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And I ain't even finished. I ain't even finished yet. So let's see what else we can do with this beautiful ombre effect. We went in with Vampire, then we went in with Twilight, which are beautiful, beautiful colors. And now I am looking, sweet. I'm trying to figure out what I need to go in with next. So looking at this palette, I think we should go with a little bit of Atheist. Just looking at the palette and looking at the colors that we've done already. So Atheist is this one, honey bunnies. So this is Atheist, and we're gonna go in with that. Ridiculous. So let's go. Yes, sweetie. We are doing that. That's the look, guys, that I created with this beautiful palette. I am going to put the finishing touches on because, oh wow, I am feeling this palette. And yeah, I'm just feeling it. I love it. I live for it already. You guys already know how I feel about Beauty Glaze. So far so good, sweeties. They haven't let me down yet. I'm just very pleasantly surprised as always. I'm going to now look for my other brushes, and I'm going to come and finish this look for you guys because you need to have this finished look. Okay, so yes guys, this is the look. Oh my god, I am living for this. This is the beautiful Beauty Glaze I Got You palette. This is my first impressions. I'm loving it. I'm feeling it. This is just gorgeous. I have so many other palettes from this brand that I'm coming to show you. I am so excited. I feel like, let me do it tonight, guys. Let me do it tonight because I'm just like, wow, I am shook. As always, Beauty Glaze, you do it all of the time. I love the fact that you're cruelty free. I love the fact that you're cheap and cheerful. I love the fact that you're very pigmented. And I love the fact that it's so easy to do. It didn't take me 1,000 years to get this look that I'm showcasing for you guys now. This is the look, guys. So yes, does this go into Ruriko's bag of tricks? Yes, it does. I am living for Beauty Glaze. I think they're such a wonderful brand. I cannot stress that enough. I am happy that I went out and bought another Beauty Glaze palette for you guys. And yes, what can I say? It does go into Ruriko's bag of tricks, honey. Yes, it does. It's beautiful. It's gorgeous. I'm living for it. Yes, yes, yes. I am loving this look. It's very cute, very gorgeous, and very, very simple. So it's been your girl Ruriko Yamazaki here. That's all that you love and all that anybody needs, sweetie. And I'll catch you, yes you, the one that came to the end of the video, a hand of your girl. I'll catch you on another video. Mwah!
Whenever your heart is broken,